Hey guys, let me show you how you can share your library of games from Steam. This is normally made for family access, but you can try it out with your friends. The first step is to open the Steam launcher with the account that you want to share your games of. When you have Steam open, go into the top left corner and click into Steam. From here, go into Settings, and into the first step, click into Manage Steam Guard Account Security. Now in here you want to make sure that you have Get Steam Guard Codes by email or Get Steam Guard Codes from the Steam app on my phone. To activate the family share, you want to click into Steam once more in the left top corner, go into the settings, and now click on the left side where you see family. Underneath you can see family library sharing. You want to check this mark to authorize library sharing on this computer, and in here on the moment maybe you don't see another account, I see this one, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Click into OK. Now you want to log out from this account, the account that have the games on, don't forget about this is really important. And when Steam restarts, you want to log in with the account that you want to share your games. From here as well, you want to go into the top left corner once more and click into Steam and then go into the setting. Once more into account in the left side, click into Manage Steam Guard Account and Security. And as before, be sure that you have at least the Get Steam Guard Codes by email if you don't have it in the app by your phone. Once you have done that, go back into the settings and in here click into Family. Activate once more in this account the library sharing on this computer, and then you want to click to share to the another account. Click into OK. Now, for the last time, log out of this account and log in into the account where you have your games. From the original account when you want to share your games, to be able to share your games not only to the same computer but to another computers, you want to click into Steam, go into the settings for the last time, go into Family, and select to share your games with another account. In here you want to click Manage Other Computers. When you connect the other account in another PC, it's going to show up right here and you're going to be able to authorize another computers. You can share your game library up to 5 accounts with this method. That is pretty much it, guys. If you have any more questions, you'll let them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, my friends, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.